Good afternoon, Grzegorz, and today we start tuning your engine EJ960. All turning good, all compression complete. On the front all looks good, as you can see. I didn't see any damages. On this side all looks good as well. No damage. Compressor looking good. Starter looking good as well. And on the top all looks good. No damage, no broken. All connectors, ejectors looks good. On the back side all looks good as well. I didn't see any damages. The gearbox looking good. And on this side all looks like so. Alternator looking good, and underneath all looks like so. Turning your engine EJ960. Thank you.